Well, hello there. It's Beards and Bangers, and today I'm going to show you a car that I actually haven't bought. No one's actually bought this car, but it's in Sam's name. We'll turn the camera around in a second, go and have a little look at it. Welcome to Beards and Bangers. So here is a Mark 1 Rover 25, Song's number plate. Here's young Austin.
Hello.
Hello. He is he's taken the head off, which is the purpose of this video. We're going to show you changing the head gasket on a Rover K series engine. This particular one is a 1.4. There you can see it's twin camshafts. We're just going to wait for another light to appear to make it a bit more illuminated in here, but we shall show you the head coming off, which involves the correct sequence of undoing the bolts so we don't warp, or so Austin doesn't warp the head. I mustn't say we when I'm doing absolutely nothing myself, but I do that quite a lot. So he's just going to start stripping down various bits and bobs. Obviously all the coolant hoses that are going to the head have got to come off, got to take the exhaust. Have you done the header?
Done downpipe, yeah.
Yeah, so the downpipe's been taken off because you've got to lift this right out of the way.
Which one got that pivot? Anywhere will do. Just there at the moment. Yeah, that's fine.
So all the ancillaries have got to come off, and then you can firstly see where the head gasket leaked, because this car is absolutely full of mayonnaise or engine jam, depending on which part of the country you're based in. But I always find it fascinating when you can see that. I think camshafts are brilliant things. Whoever came up with it, wasn't it Bob Camshaft invented camshafts, wasn't it? Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. So I'll
take your word for it.
So we'll let Austin prise this hose off, which looks great fun. Do you want some fairy liquid?
That's right. Use my system.
So you can just carefully lever it with a screwdriver like Sam's doing there, and Austin gives it a good old tug, and the car wheezes itself on the floor. I can't complain because as you know from my mini...
At least this is only water.
This is just water, albeit with probably maybe some antifreeze in.
No, it didn't look very much. It looked very clear.
Very clear water, and not that much of it. Because most of the water's probably in the sump.
Or be burnt off.
Or burnt off as steam. So very environmentally friendly.
Water vapour is still a greenhouse gas.
True. Austin doing the work. Sam's adopting the Rob Brooke pose.
I think that's more of this.
That's it, yeah. So rather than taking the downpipe off, but the header is actually still attached.
No, downpipe's on.
Downpipe's
on, yes.
Downpipe's off. So the manifold is still attached. You can actually take the head off with the inlet manifold attached. Just lessens the work. Any other reasons you do it like that, Austin?
Something to carry.
Yeah, gives you something to get hold of. We all like something to get hold of.
Something to remove when it's on the bench.
Yeah.
So those back nuts are quite difficult to get to.
But obviously, if the head's warped, you've got to strip it down completely so it can go off and be skimmed. Which
Put it down there. Somewhere. Oh, I want my toolbox.
Yes, Austin's obviously got a lovely toolbox at his work, AJF Motor Engineers, but here in the unit he's got to use my what can I buy in Halford's range of tools. But they're handy. So Austin's not doing something weird. Well, he probably is, knowing him, but he's he's just getting the engine lined up.
In time.
in time, so when the cam belt's changed, it can just go back in. And with the K series, you have all the pistons halfway, don't you? Yeah. So not number one at top dead centre or some configuration like that. I'll just show you the air filter that came out of this car because it's a disgrace. Sam will grab it for me. That is the air filter that was in this car. That is very naughty.
I'll go again.
Not bad, the one in the Mini for that.
No, the one in the Mini was
It's the same.
same. So yeah, keep your air filters clean by servicing your car regularly. And by servicing your car regularly, you will maintain the length of your engine. Austin's just undoing the tensioner, which he has done, because the belt is no longer tense. We've got this other light in the unit now, and it's quite warm in here today because it's 23. Well, it was 23 degrees earlier, but that light is throwing out a lot of heat. Cam belt off. Because this car was free, the lads are trying to work out what else you can get for free that's good. What was your idea, Sam?
I won't say on camera.
Air? Air's free.
Air is free.
Yeah. And it's good because it keeps you alive.
Yeah, that's true.
Although there's not much air in this unit.
No, is our fan on?
No, there's no plug there.
No.
Oh.
It's hot and it stinks of petrol, which isn't a bad smell actually. And the car's on a wee as well.
There's a leak in everywhere.
The water's dribbling a little bit. I can move a little bit, it's right.
Cam gear off.
Right.
Right, here come the head bolts. So he's going to do them in a certain order, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they're going to go in this very long box because they are very long head bolts. They go
Right through to the sun.
Yeah. So Austin has done this a few times before.
Yeah, not Sam. Yeah, that's Sam. Yeah.
Because Austin works and is an MG Rover specialist, he's done a few K-Series head gaskets, as has his old man.
Done one today actually.
Yeah. On a TF.
Yeah. Celestial.
Celestial TF, no less.
135. Lip tight, man. I'm used to using a bigger bar than this.
So there we are. That's the sequence. And then once they're cracked off, probably shouldn't say once they're cracked off. That sounds a bit dodgy. But then you can start loosening them up with a ratchet. So we'll let him do that. Then we'll show you once they're coming out how long they actually are to reach right through to the sump. Right, so here are the head bolts, quite long. Yeah, I'll start one up, quite good actually against the Rover. Yeah, see how big it is. They're long old boys. Don't need to replace them, they go back in. Sam's busy ratcheting the expansion tank bracket off, which is a little bit seized, I think.
Yeah, these two clips are the 2.8 mils. So I'm taking it off the whole bulkhead.
Yeah, so it's the little bolts that on top of the bracket, not the actual bulkhead bolts. But in a minute, Austin's going to lift the head off, or both the lads will. But he's just getting wood at the moment, as it were.
You get the cylinder head on the floor.
No, so the...
If you're doing this at home, always put the cylinder head on the floor.
So ignore Sam's sarcastic comments. So yeah, a couple of little bearers and a piece of cardboard just to really protect the head.
Probably end up getting it skimmed anyway.
Yeah. I don't know if you picked up Austin, but he's probably going to get it skimmed. It's just worth, as long as it's got enough meat in it and it hasn't been skimmed a trillion times before, it's a...
Find out if it's original gasket or not.
Good idea. Yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see what...
It's done 90,000 miles.
It's done 90,000 miles. So yeah, see if it's the original gasket and to see where it was actually leaking. Right, off with its head. There we go. Yeah, see if you can get a friend to help you with it. It's probably better.
Stuck on the down pipe. Oh. All good. No, I can't either. It's catching on the fan. It was me then. Pull it up there, yeah. Oh, hang on.
Right, bit of adjustment, and hopefully now the head will come off. There it is. One K-series cylinder head. That's what the exhaust manifold looks like for those of you who've never seen one before.
I've had one.
And here is the head gasket.
MLS on there.
MLS that is separated by the looks of it.
No, save a shim.
Ah.
But they have a problem with the saver shim. Adrian's had a load of problems where they leak externally.
Ah. So there's the old gaskets off. And there you can see water on top of the pistons.
What were you just saying, Sam? About how they normally fill up pistons?
Yeah.
Because there isn't any antifreeze in that. Just like that.
So a bit of the ubiquitous... What would we do with that blue roll? What would we do with that blue roll?
Blue roll is a lifesaver.
Blue roll is life.
Nice how Sam's wearing gloves. Very wise.
Samwise.
Sam wise.
There we are. So there is the slightly... What's that?
It's just a indentation on the block. It's just like there, look.
Oh yeah,
the bolt in
can't
there.
see that one. So there is the block full of crud. So we'll pick this video up again when the head has been skimmed. Austin's just
No, it's not nice at all.
fingering the liners slightly.
That's just like sort of rusty sludge and shine.
Nasty, isn't it?
Carbon.
So yeah, we'll pick this up again once the head's been sorted out, and we'll show you the gasket going on, along with a few other bits and bobs. Yeah, so many months have passed since I last picked it up, and I was hoping to show you the head gasket and head going on, but time and necessity are up against us. So Austin has got the head back together. Just need to really clean up the front. So I think he saw some front wings, but bit of a request: if anyone has got a spare Starlight Silver bonnet for one of these, then please let me know, because that's the only bit that they really need. Headlining is obviously going to get done at some point, and yeah, because its interior is actually pretty nice on this car. If you remember it, it's it needs a bit of a clean. The steering wheel's a bit dirty and mouldy, but the seats are actually all right. Interior's all right. Just needs putting back together. So, yeah, if they've actually got wings and a bonnet, that'd be even better. So yeah, but yeah, a bonnet in good order is what's needed for this car. So yeah, there we are. So yeah, we'll hopefully see this car about. I'm not going to say what's happening to it once it is fixed up. But yeah, it will remain fairly local, I believe. And there we are. So there's the free Rover 25 that Sam got, and that Austin and Sam were doing some work to. Yeah, what's better than a cheap car? A free car, particularly when you're a mechanic and can do these things yourself. So thank you for watching this episode of Beards and Bangers about free cars. It's been filmed the bulk of it several months ago. But yeah, we're back now. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you've got the bonnet and you've got the wings, please, in Starlight Silver, please do get in touch through the Facebook group, or just look at me up on Facebook, Rob Brooke. I'm always willing to accept people if they want to friend me on Facebook. Not that I'm a massive Facebook user, but massive something else, but that's a personal opinion. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again on the next episode very soon. Goodbye.